Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start generating keyword ideas. The easiest way to start coming up with ideas is to have a brainstorming session. What you want to do is start by writing down a list of topics that are related to your business. So let's say you run a real estate business. You will want to write down topics like land, houses, flats, apartments, and many more. Once you have a list of topics, you will want to start the process of narrowing them down into keywords. The first step is to type each of them into Google, but don't click search. So I will start with land just here. You will see some different options below your original search. This is called Google Suggest because these are searches that a lot of users have made, which is why Google is suggesting them to you. What you want to do now is add any of the relevant suggestions to your keyword list. So on here, for example, I have land for sale near me, but that's it really on here. So then you want to go with your next topic. For me, that is houses. And then you want to add all of the relevant suggestions to your keyword list once again. So pretty much all of these are relevant. So add them all to your keyword list. And then we have flats. None of these are relevant on here, so we can leave all of them out. And finally, the last topic that I have written down is apartments. So I'm going to type that into Google right now. And all of these seem to be relevant, so we can add them all to our keyword list once again. You can do the same thing with any other search engine, whether it's YouTube, Bing, or even Amazon, to see what searches users are making on there too. The next thing you can do is use the related searches section that Google gives us. So simply search for each of your topics once again, and actually click search this time, and then scroll to the bottom of the results where it says searches related to. Here you'll see 8 more keywords that are related to the search that has been made. So let's do this now. I'll start with apartments as I have already typed it in. So simply hit enter on there, and then scroll to the very bottom. And here you have 8 more relevant keywords which you can add to your keyword list, which is absolutely perfect. So any of these which are relevant, add them to your list. So I'm going to do the same thing with houses. And then scroll to the bottom. Here we go. These ones are relevant here as well. Now click on one of these searches related to your keyword. And if you scroll down again, you will see 8 new possible keywords that you can add to your list. Here is another quick example. Imagine that you run a photography business. Your brainstorming topics would simply be your services. So for example, wedding photography, family photo shoot, pet photography, and so on. So what you want to do now is type them into Google. So let's start with wedding. And here we go. So we have many more keywords we could add. Any of these which are relevant, you can add to your list. The next one was family photo shoot. There we go. Any of the relevant keywords once again here, you can add to your list. Perfect. And the final topic was pet photography. Once again, add any of the relevant ones to your keyword list. And for this last example for pet photography, I'm going to click search and then scroll to the bottom. And here we go. So we have pricing, near me, business, outdoor dog photography. So there we go. We have many more relevant keywords within searches related to. And even if I want to click onto one of them, so let's click onto pet photography near me and then scroll down. We have even more possible keywords which you could add to your keyword list. Pet photography studio near me, professional dog photos near me, pet photography pricing, and many more. This is a great way to start building your initial list of keywords. You should keep doing this until you are happy with the amount of keywords within your list. Hopefully this video was helpful for you, and hopefully it was easy to understand. This is one of the best ways to get your initial keyword list and find keywords by using your business topics. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.